Going on, guys? In this video I'm going to do another crowd tap cash out. I think I shot a video yesterday, Thursday the 6th. Today happens to be Friday the 7th, February 7th, 2020. Anyway, guys, this app is very easy to get points on here, to get gift cards. All you need is 1,000 points. Right here on the app, it says check back soon. Normally it would be like little boxes there. You just tap on the box. Most of the time you do multiple choice questions. Just hit one and then they'll give you points. Anywhere from like 3 to 100 and something points. Like I said, very easy to get 1,000 points. I'm going to go ahead and redeem. So I got 1,064 points again, which is enough for a $5 gift card. Let me hit see all here. As you can see, this is what I can get for $5, 1,000 points, $10, 2,000 points, so on and so forth, guys. And if you go check out some of my previous videos, you'll see me cash out for 4,000, $10, 2,000 points. So in this one, I'm just going to do a $5 one, like I did one yesterday as well. Just go ahead and watch the video from yesterday and check that one out. I'm going to get another Walmart gift card. I'm stacking up on Walmart right now for some reason. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it'll be something I want to buy at Walmart. So just hit accept terms, hit redeem for 1,000 points. And they should send me my gift card within 48 hours, hopefully, because I cashed out yesterday and I'm cashing out today. I would just get both of them at the same time. They do that also from time to time. So I'm going to hit back to redeem. And as you can see, my points went back down to 64 points. No actions. That's really it for crowd tap, guys. But if you got any questions, just drop a comment and I'll happily answer them. If I know, if I don't, I'll find out. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and hit that like button, ring that bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe. And anywhere else, just drop a comment in the description if you got any questions. Take care. Make some money easy. Till the next time. Peace out.